Let's talk about Boolean expression. So just like I showed you other data types, we also have a data type we call Boolean expression. So like I said earlier, we use Boolean expression to identify true or false. You can decide to check if something is true. You can try to check if they are false. So for you to be able to start using Boolean expression, you will first of all start by typing bool. So the short form for this Boolean expression is bool. Then after typing the data type, it's going to be followed by the variable you want to store it with. So I will store it with maybe female. Then I will say equal to false. Yeah, that's because I'm not a female. Sorry, I'm not a female. So I'm just trying to. So what are we trying to do? We are trying to check if I'm a female or not. So when I try to print this female, it's going to return false because originally I have set the value inside this variable as false. So when I run this command, I'll get a false response. If I also come here and change this to true, I'll get a true response. So as we are moving on, I'm still going to explain more. I will use this to do or build some cool stuffs which will give you some more understanding or knowledge about how this bool works. So I'll go and read about